Kurdish families here, Nowruz is more than a celebration. It's a reminder of who they are and where they come from.
I feel like I'm at my home.
Some have not seen their homeland in decades, but every year on this day, the distance disappears.
So I love celebrating here, and I love how they celebrate here and not just Kurdistan, so we can still continue our culture from all the way around the world.
Every year, no matter where they are in the world, the Kurdish people find each other on this day. That is the true meaning of Nowruz, not just a new year, but a people holding tight to their culture, their language, and their identity.